Hello everyone, this tutorial is about how to customize template for laterite filling and hardcore filling. Let us start with laterite filling. Just go to template. I'm going to customize it using area tools for the takeoff. Click on area, name it as laterite filling. After laterite filling, yeah. Click on advanced. You only have one property to add to it, two properties. Depth. There's only one, yeah, depth. The area itself is the depth. So click on depth and check all this and check it, leave the color. So now to activate or to customize the formula for our takeoff, multiply the area with the depth. So the depth unit is in meter. The unit for the takeoff is cubic meter. Good. Just going to add some layouts. Click on the units. Okay. Click on form. This is the depth. Okay. Click on So before we start taking off for the lateral trim, I want to show you some pictures. Good. As a quantity surveyor, when you are given a job, try to request for the topography, try to request for the site photograph or picture in order to determine the topography of the site. For example, this site is sloping downward. So we have 3 courses of block here, and also have 5 courses of block here. Let me show you second picture. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, as a quantity surveyor, you can't just use one depth like maybe 0.3, 1.2 as the depth for your laterite filling. Once you know the topography of the site, yes, you're able to determine the area that you use, maybe 1 meter as the depth, 2 meters as the depth, or 500 as the depth of the lateral filling. For this area now, you have like 1, 2, 3, 4 courses of block to fill up. You understand? And here, like I said earlier, you have like this is the column base where we excavate. So you have to bring the soil down to fill up this area. And as you can see, this project we have more than 52 numbers of column pits. Let me show you this short video. You have to move the soil out of the site so that the bricklayer will be able to work. The bricklayer will be able to work on it for the blinding and other. Let me just show you. Can you see now? You have to move it out so that you're able to create space for the bricklayer to work or blinding and others. So now we have to, what we are going to know is that, as a consequence of it, know is that depth of laterite filling will be vary. Will be vary when the topography of the site is not stable. You can use 600 there and use 1.2 there. You can use 300 and use 800 at the at this point. You understand? So now for this, let me check this section. Delete this section. For this one, let us use 0.6 as the depth of laterite filling. Click on this green button. Let us use 0.6 mm as the depth. Click OK. Make sure that the record mode is on the box mode. So now this wall, middle white one is the block wall, and this one at the side, both sides is the extension of the footing. So this center one is the block wall. So we want to start to measure. Just make sure that this 9 intersect with this 9. Can you see this mouse? Click it and drag it to the same point here. See this 9 and see this one. They meet up at the edge of the column. Just try this one. See this, see this. Click it and drop it there. I've made a mistake. Okay, press escape. To adjust, just click on it and pick it at this point. Just pick it here and drop it there. Yeah. So next, you want to proceed, click on it and click on new section. Not to waste our time, not to waste our time, we can start here for the laterite finish. If you want the volume of each panel to show, just click on it, right click on show label, click on show label, click on right click on show label and click on show label. So we are done with laterite finish. Just come down to template. For us to customize the hardcore finish, just copy, click on this and copy it. Copy this laterite and paste. Okay, the color has changed already. You can rename it as hardcore filling. It's the same procedure. The issue now is that the depth is 150 mm, not 601.2. Let me show you a picture of the hardcore. This is the hardcore. This is the hardcore. 150 mm deep. I click on this green. We are using 150 mm. It's also in cubic meter. Click it at the same point, drag it and drop. Drag it and drop. Press escape to end it. Just hide the laterite. So if you want this to show the quantity, the volume, and listen. So this is how I'm going to measure or take off for the remaining panel. So this is how to customize. You can just check it out here. Let's check it out. So for the laterite filling, you get 46.3 cubic meter. For the hardcore filling, you get 8.1 cubic meter. Thanks for watching.